versus income. Earning versus income is topic in terms of finance and company related profit and loss. Earning and income both refers to company bottom line, the amount of profit left over after paying all expenses. The income can be designed to gross versus net or by source such that interest income. Earning can also be segmented as earning per share, retained earning or earning before interest, tax, depreciation and earning. This is definition of earning. Earning typically refers to after-tax net income, sometimes known as the bottom line or the company profit. Earnings are main development determinant of companies' share prices. Earnings are perhaps the single most important and most studied number in companies' financial statement. It shows profitability compared to analyze estimates the companies on the historical performance. Earnings are the profit of company has the earning for a period of time, usually the quarter or fiscal year. The earning figure is listed as the net income on the income statement when investor refers to a company earning. Similarly, income is the considered synonyms with the net income or next is income. Both net income and earning are the often referred to as the company bottom line because it is the profit left over the after every cost has been deducted as, as the result sits at the bottom of the income statement. Next is conventionally revenue set at the top of income statement and should be the confused with earning or net income. Revenue is the total amount of income earned in the period before the expenses have been taken out.
Subscribe my YouTube channel with bell press icon.